Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you one amazing app, okay, that can help you to achieve your goal. So what's that? That's really very simple concept is that, like, we know that suppose my date of birth is 7th Feb. That's my 7th February. Now what I will do here, I just need to put my date of birth on that app, okay, and once I click on the button, okay, and search button, so I will get the information about the person who is really very famous, okay, in the industry or in the world, okay, and that the same person have the same date of birth. It's suppose 7th Feb, so she will also have the 7th Feb date of birth. So this thing help us. If he or she can do this with the same date of birth, then why I can't? Okay, so let me show you how we can create this amazing crazy idea app. So click on new folder and not new folder, click on new project, and my project name is new app. That's my screen here. Okay, so I'm going to use here one text box. It's simple as that, like this. I'm going to use here one button. I'm going to use here one label and one more label. One more label is here and one more label under this label. Done. Now let's click on the screen and do everything in a center like this. Click on the text box and make this width is 70% like this, and make sure this hint for text should be here like dd plus month, or you can just put the month and dd. Okay, that's your date of birth format. It means we have to put the month first and then the date. Done. And now we need to click on this button and just width should be 70% again. Simple. Now let's change the background color of this. I'm going to use here some like greener like this. Okay, and I'm going to use here text color to the white like this. I'm going to make this screen should be in a background color should be black like this. Done. In this button I'm going to put here search something, and I'm going to use font size to 20 like this. Done. Now I'm going to see here there's one label. Okay, so what I will do here, in this label 3 I'm going to change the text color to the white, okay, like this, and I'm going to just change the text to something if they can, why not. I'm going to make this text to 20 pixel. I'm going to change the color of this to the pink or something like this. Done. I'm going to make this font bold. Done. Now I'm going to use here one label is like, that we have one label 1. Okay, I'm going to just change the text color of this to the white and the font size to the 18, and text should be right now here dot like this. Done. Now in the left side you'll find here the experimental and see the chatbot. Just drag and drop this here like this, click on OK, and now let's go to the blog. Once the people click on the button 1, okay, so what we need to do here, we need to use the chatbot and pass one question and just use the text value here, text join like this, and in the second tab I'm going to use here text box 1 dot text value like this. One is here. Done. And indeed for the first I'm going to use here one text is like, please tell me name of the famous personality born in, and that's our date of birth, right? That's it. Now let's click on the chatbot and got response. I'm going to use here the label is, we know which label, in which label we have to display that is the label 1. So label 1 is here. Now set label like this, and response text is here. That's done. Okay, so that's the overall app. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me on comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.